looks just like you.
No, I wanna show Mom.
Oh, okay, you can show Mom.
Mommy, look what me made. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're baking.
Are you excited? All right. You want to get started?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You want to try?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you try? Now remember, you gotta put it flat on there. Hold on. Okay, hold it like this. Now make sure you peel away from yourself and just like that.
You did it.
Just preheating the oven to 375. You don't have to peel the zucchini to make this. It's just easier than cleaning this off in this case. So, and you can leave the skin on. Is it all cleaned up?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got our cleaning bowls. Alright.
It's rainbowy.
We're gonna grate zucchini into this. You gotta be very careful not to get any or your fingers anywhere near the grates, because they'll cut you if you're not careful.
Yeah, we'll cut your whole finger.
Do you want me to do it, or do you want to try?
No, you.
Okay.
Ooh, zucchini.
So we need about 2 cups or 2 medium zucchinis worth.
I'm a little kid, so I can dump them in.
I'm gonna hand you stuff, and you can dump it in and mix it.
I'm watching you.
Do you want to make like a sourdough bread or
Strawberry bread.
strawberry bread?
Yeah, I choose strawberry bread.
Okay, we can try and make a strawberry bread. That's an interesting type of bread. What do you want to eat on our strawberry bread? Blueberries?
Strawberry.
You want to put strawberries on the strawberry bread?
Yeah, it's not blueberry.
Okay.
I don't know.
It's perfect. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So now we're just going to fill that in. We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Do you want to fill up this one?
Yes.
Dump that in that right there. Perfect. We need a half a teaspoon of salt. So 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Alright, next thing, we're going to have to add a half a cup of sugar and a half cup of brown sugar and whisk it together.
Dump it in here?
Yep. Perfect. Could dump that in there too. I'm going to help you a little bit, okay?
But there's balls in it, Daddy.
That's the brown sugar.
Are they mixing them into a ball?
No, it's just... break it up, don't worry. You want to grab that whisk? Can you reach it?
Got it.
And then you can whisk those together.
I cracked it.
It's okay. You gotta whisk it a little bit more than you did. Okay, perfect. We're just gonna leave that like that for now. And then we gotta add in our vegetable oil, our applesauce, and our vanilla extract.
Applesauce? Why not?
So we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Can I do it?
Okay. Dump it all. Oh man. Put it all in.
Put it on.
Okay.
Answer.
mixing. Gross. Let you mix it all together, but don't overmix it. Be careful not to spill.
Why it's so hard?
Well, there's a lot of ingredients in there.
It's too hard for my arm.
Well, it's okay, I can help. You can ask me for help, right?
Can I dump that in?
Not yet. We gotta mix this all together first. Once this is all mixed together, then we can dump that in. Okay, now I'm gonna dump this in. Or you wanna do it? Juice and all. I got your finger. Just gotta fold this in.
Delicious. Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be really good.
Zucchini bread.
And it's gonna be healthy. We're gonna have a healthy breakfast treat for tomorrow. Except for the ones we put chocolate chips in. But look at that. There's our dough. So now we need to put it into here.
Yeah. You can do it. You ruined my smiley face.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you made a smiley face. So we want to fill this up 2/3 of the way in each one.
Can we make a smiley face with the chocolate chips?
We can in one of them, yeah, sure.
Thank.
You're welcome.
Can we make a fierce face?
A fierce face.
Yeah, a naughty face and
A naughty face.
and a good face and a happy face.
If it's less than 6 faces, then we can do it.
Faces.
Then we have to bake these, and they bake for 20 minutes. Are we gonna try one yet tonight?
Well, we need to make happy faces.
Yep, we'll make this whole tray. Here I have chocolate chips in it. Well, I don't know if we got enough for all 6 of these. It's gonna be close.
Oh, very tiny cupcakes. And we'll put this in the oven. Oh.
Are you making faces on all those?
One eye, and one more eye, and a nose, and some, and a happy face. I can only do 2 faces.
These smell good. I'm gonna take this one out first. With a toothpick. You ready to try this?
Oh, sure.
I don't know if it's hot or not, but we'll find out. Probably should let it cool a little bit, but
It's so delicious. Don't eat it.
cheers.
Cheers.
Excited? Which piece do you want?
I want this one.
You always take the bigger piece.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. It's a little bit hot. It's good. Very moist.
Very healthy.
You said very healthy. That's good.
You like Mom? Can I try it?
Sure.
Can I have a bite?
good.
It's healthy.
It's very moist.
It's very healthy for you.
Why should people join us next time? What are we making?
Strawberry bread.
So they should like and subscribe so they can see our recipe for strawberry bread?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
This is gonna be delicious bread. Bye.
See you next time.
See you on your next channel.